Phonics friends, thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the A sound. Now the A sound is a split digraph, and this is because the letters A and E together make the A sound, but they are split apart by another letter in the middle. Now you might be thinking you've heard the A sound before, and that's because the letters A and I together make the A sound, and the letters A and Y together make the A sound. So we've got A, A, A. But today we're going to be learning this A sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. A, A, A. Excellent. Now let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the A sound. Oh, I found a plane. Can you hear the A sound in plane? Plane, plane. See what else we can find that uses the A sound. Oh, I found a plate. Can you hear the A sound in plate? Plate, plate. Let's see what else we can find that uses the A sound. Oh, I found some grapes. Can you hear the A sound in grapes? Grapes, grapes. Excellent. So grapes, plate and plane all use the A sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the A sound. To write our A sound, we need to write the letter A, another letter will go in the middle, and then our letter E. So for our A, we start at the top, all the way round and down. And for our E, we start in the middle, we go up, round and down. Now I want you joining in at home, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a big stretch, give your shoulders a big roll. Magic fingers ready, and off we go. So for our A, start at the top, all the way round and down. And for our E, we start in the middle, we go up, round and down. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way round and down. Start in the middle, round, up and down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the A sound. Our first word today is made. My turn first. M-A-D. Made. Your turn. Made. My turn again. M-A-D. Made. Your turn. Made. Excellent. Our next word is date. D-A-T. Date. Your turn. Date. My turn again. D-A-T. Date. Your turn. Date. Excellent. And our last word for the day is cave. My turn first. K-A-V. Cave. Your turn. Cave. My turn again. K-A-V. Cave. Your turn. brave. Excellent. Thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.